Hello friends, welcome to EGMIT and 2.0 YouTube channel. So in this video we will go to discuss about the technical assistant electrical paper for ISRO Ahmedabad. This is Space Application Center. Okay, so this is one of the unit of ISRO. So this paper was conducted on 4/12/2016. Okay, so just check the level of the question paper, how the question was. So come to the first question. Okay, before going to solve the question, so just read the instruction that what is the most important instructions for exam. Okay, here it is given the for each correct answer you will get a plus 3 marks, and for every wrong answer, okay, you will get minus 1 marks, and 0 marks for no answer. Okay, so this is the instruction. Okay, so just come to the first question. So the question paper is in Hindi and English, both languages. So we will go through English paper, okay, because it will be easy for us. Okay, so first question is the intersection point of a line. Okay, the y equals to x plus 3 and y equals to 5 minus x square. So the condition will be truth. Okay, when x plus 3 square, okay, that equals to 5 minus x square. Okay, so the line will be intersect each other. Okay, so from this equation you will have to find out value of x. Okay, after that put x value in this equation and in this equation. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so just try it. Okay, if you will not, then comment me. So next question is for instrument to have a wide range, it should have a logarithmic scale. Okay, this is the most repeatable question. Next is solar cell is made up of. Okay, all of you know solar cell is made of photovoltaic cell, which is a semiconductor. Okay, next is potential across each insulating unit. Okay, in a string insulator can be equalized. Okay, so while there is an insulator, okay, index insulator in transmission line, okay, there is a equalizer guard ring is provided. Okay, using guard ring, okay, the potential across each string, okay, that can be balanced. Okay, so this is from power system topic. Okay, next is diesel power plant is best suited. Okay, basically all of you know that diesel power plant is kind of backup type power plant. Okay, and it is used in peak load power plant. Okay, that is not in the continuous load, but when the load requirement goes increase, the power plant is on. Okay, next is by improving the power factor of the generating station. Okay, when power factor goes high, okay, so active power supplies will be increased. Okay, because vi cos phi. Okay, when the power factor is low, then the reactive power draws is more. Okay, and when the power factor get improved, then the true power value, okay, will be increased. So option B is correct. Okay, next is question number 7. What is the significance of choke coil? Okay, in circuit of fluorescent tube. In fluorescent tube, that what is the major role of choke? That to produce the high starting voltage impulse in the time of starting. Okay, and to limit the operating current also. So these are the two operations of choke. Next is the electric current in a circuit follows the equation. Okay, that equation is here I equals to 100 sin omega t. Okay, frequency is 25th hertz, and how long it take for the electric current to rise 50 amps. So you have to just solve it, that I equals to 50. Okay, and value of I is 100 sin omega t. Okay, so that equals to 50. So sin omega t equals to 1 upon 2, and find sin omega t, that equals to sin 30. Okay, so again omega t is nothing but 2 pi f t equals to 30. Okay, and your frequency is given 25th hertz. Okay, and 2 pi value all of you know it. So find the value of t. Okay, so you will find the time value is here 20 millisecond. Okay, just try it and solve it. Okay, next is Eigen values of -5 to 2 minus 2r. Okay, so this is a matrix. Okay, so in matrix all of you know that Eigen value you will find that a minus lambda of I, okay, I is nothing but identical function, okay, that equals to 0. A is given here, okay, and I put value of I equals to 1 0 and 0 1, okay. So then in this equation put these values, okay, and finally you will get value is here minus 6 and minus 1, okay. Just try it. If not, then comment me. So next is in case of VRLA batteries, a self-releasing valve is provided. All of you know that VRLA is nothing but valve regulated lead acid batteries, okay, mostly used in the railway locomotives, okay. So the main function of the valve is to exert the gas pressure, okay, that is internal gas pressure is exerted, okay. So internal gas pressure rise and release to atmosphere, okay. This is the correct answer. Next is negative phase sequence current is generated, okay. So negative phase sequence current due to the motor running in reverse direction, okay. So you all of you know it. The phase sequence will not in this direction, this will go in the reverse, okay. So next is question number 12, okay. So log 2 1 upon 128 square, okay. So just simple you just put log 1 upon 2 upon 7, okay, that equals to 2, okay, log base 2, and you will find here log 2, okay, this will be 2 minus 14, okay. So then minus 14 will comes first, okay. This is log 2 base 2, this will value is 1, so answer will be minus 14, okay. This is a short question. Next is two bulb of 100 watt and 25 watt are connected in series, okay, across 230 volt DC supply. So what is the ratio of the voltage drop? So you just see what is the ratio of the voltage drop across 100 watt and 25 watt. So simple, you have to find out R1 upon R2, okay. So just put from this equation, you all of you know that R formula is V square upon W. Just write down the W1, again V square upon W2, okay. So just cancel V square because in constant values. So W1 W2 will be in the numerator part, okay. So you will find the R1 upon R2 equals to 25 upon 100, okay. So the resistance of 100 watt lamp will be 25 and the resistance of 25 watt equals to 100, okay. So then simply put the voltage divider formula, okay. Voltage is here 230, so simply 230 multiplication of 25 upon 25 plus 100, then you will get 25 watt resistance means 100 watt values, okay. So you will get a 46 volt, okay. So similar process, you will find the wattage of 25 watt, then finally you will get the ratio will be 4:1, okay. So just try it, okay. So very easy question. Next is in a Hall sensor, polarized charge developed due to Hall effect is in Hall effect the polarized charge, okay, is proportional to the magnetic field, okay. Next is according to the law of electrostatic force, if distance between 2 points is charge, okay, doubled, then force between charges, okay. All of you know that force formula is K Q1 upon Q1 Q2 upon D square, okay. So if the distance between 2 points doubled, okay, if distance will get doubled, then force will be quadruple because here is square is given, so answer will be quadruple, okay. Next is power factor is the ratio of R upon Z. This is your common question. Next is the zero sequence impedance of an element in power system, okay, is different from both A and B, positive sequence and negative sequence, okay, because zero sequence current only flow, okay, if in a star connection system, okay, there is some kind of unbalance, then zero sequence current will flow is here, okay. So this is completely different from both positive sequence impedance and negative sequence impedance. Next is Buckles relay is used in transformer for protection against internal fault, okay. So this is most time repeatable question. Next is Morse flare protection is also known as a differential protection, okay. Next is it is not advisable to start a slip ring induction motor with slip ring shorted, okay. All of you know in slip ring induction motor the winding the rotor resistance is very low, okay, so if it will get shorted, so the torque will ultimately high, okay. Next is the resolution of 12-bit analog to digital converter, okay. So just simple, you have to put the values, okay. Simple, just take analog to digital converter, the voltage is here 10 volt, okay, and here one part resolution is 14096, okay, so then you will get 0.0244%. So this is nothing but resolution of analog to digital converter, okay. So next is this is the limit x tends to 5, okay, 4 minus 3x plus 1 root, so just put the value of x in this limit, okay, and we'll get answer is 0. This is nothing, okay. Next is slope of line 2x equals to y plus 3, okay. So all of you know slope formula, y equals to mx plus c, okay. So here y equals to 2x minus 3, okay. So m value is 2, so slope is here 2, okay. So next here distance between point minus 2.5, 3.4, minus 4.4 and 5.5. Here just mark it P point, and this is marked as Q point, okay. So this one is your x1 yn value, and here this is your x2 y2 value, okay. So simple, put the formula of a distance, okay. So distance formula, simply you have to put that x2 minus x1, okay, square plus y2 minus y1 square root, okay. So just put the formula and you will get the answer, okay. Just solve it, okay, very easy question. Next is in full step drive, what is the resolution of a stepper motor with 4 starter poles, okay. So in this is a kind of a stepper motor, okay. So in stepper motor, you know, the stepper motor operates with some angle, okay. So this is nothing but simple beta equals to your nr minus ns upon nr dot ns, okay. So nr is nothing but your rotor teeth, okay, and ns is your starter teeth, okay. So you all of you know starter teeth, how to find out, just you just see here pole is given 4 and the common phase is 5, okay. So ns equals to 4 into 5, that equals to 20, okay. So simply put formula, okay, you will get 25 minus 20 upon 500, okay, multiplication with 360, because the total rotation angle is 360, okay. Then you will get the answer is here 3.6, okay. So just try it. So next is your crawling of 3-phase induction motor is predominantly due to, okay, 7th order harmonic. You all of you know that even harmonic present in power supply, okay. So the motor due to 7th harmonic, the motor goes very slow down, okay. That is 1/7 time of actual speed, okay. Motor goes very slow, okay. So next is your question number 27, okay. In the circuit diagram below, if 10 volt is voltage is 10 volt is here, okay, then the value of current I, okay. So that current value is being asked. So simply friend, we just take this is your node, okay. So this node just V, you just taken the potential is V, okay. So simply solve the circuit as just like this. This is one resistance, this is one resistance, and this is one current source, okay. So all the direction of current is in the same, okay. So just put it, okay. So in the first line that voltage is 10, okay. So if current is here I1, this is current is your I2, this is your I3, this is your I4. Just I am writing here, okay, by enlarging the figure, just it will be very easy for you. So just see, this is your I1 current, okay, this is your I2, and this is your I3, and this is your I4, okay. So all are the current direction is in downward direction, means if this is taken is your V, okay. So in KCL, okay, by putting the KCL law, you will get V upon 2 plus V upon 10 plus V upon 4 plus I, that equals to 0. Okay, by simply applying the value of this, and V value you already know, this is 10. Okay, so just you can find out the value of I. This will be your minus 8.5 ampere. Okay, just try it, friend. Very easy question. Next is thermistor possesses. Thermistor is nothing but a type of LDR. Okay, that is light dependent resistor. Okay, so this is mostly follows negative temperature coefficient, NTC. Okay, so next is major advantages of breeze rectifier in high voltage application. Due to there is no present of center tap transformer. Okay, this is some kind of cost will be very preferably low. Okay, next is LEDs are made up of LEDs mostly gallium arsenide. Okay, so next question is 31. Okay, so in semiconductor current flows due to both electrons and hole. This is common question, all of you know it. The disadvantages of gravity control method in measuring instrument is that instrument shall be in vertical position, that it can measure only. So next is transform of 330-degree angle. Okay, in degree measures to that in the radian measures. Okay, so just try it. Okay, so you all of you know that 2 pi equals to 360 degree. Okay, 2 pi radian equals to 360 degree. Okay, and similar formula you just put 330 degree, you will find 11 upon 6 pi. Okay, next is velocity of light in vacuum is almost equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter upon second. Okay, next is what is transducer. So transducer basically it provides linear output. So most probably the transducer work is to convert from one energy to another. Okay, so it provides a linear output. Next is transformer. In transformer based SMPS power supply are of smaller size. Okay, all of you know that SMPS work is to convert from DC to variable voltage DC. Okay, so that mostly requirement is the high frequency switching. So in high frequency the transformer size will definitely very small. Okay, so the answer will be that due to high frequency operation. Next is 37. Okay, so measurable EMF produced, okay, across two metals, that forming a loop and two junction kept at different temperature. This is a Seebeck effect. So you all of you know that a thermocouple is one kind of instrument. Okay, that operates on the principle of Seebeck effect, and it is used to measure temperature. Okay, so there is one cold junction and another one is a hot junction. Okay, that to differentiate between them and then find out the value of temperature. So you just check it. Okay, very easy question. Next is in industries that which motor is used in general. This is a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Okay, due to this is robust and simple in design. Okay, and almost speed is constant. Okay, and operate in very greater torque. Okay, and also speed control through triple VF drive. Okay, variable voltage, variable frequency drive, it will easy. Okay, next is eccentricity of ellipse. Okay, so this is less than 1. Okay, so you all of you have studied it in your engineering drawing. Okay, that for eccentricity for circle is 0. Okay, and for hyperbola, okay, it is greater than 1, and for ellipse this is less than 1. Okay, all of you know it, that no need to discuss about it. So next is for the given supply voltage and current to universal motor. Okay, so you all of you know that universal motor operates both AC and DC. So there will be no variation of speed when we differentiate AC and DC supply. So speed basically independent. Okay, so if you provide AC or DC supply, whether you provide any kind of supply. So friend, this is the total 40 question out of 80 questions. So next 40 question we will discuss in the next video. So thank you friends.